Hello, hello, hi, mabuhay bagang pumanaw, mahaba pa ang buhay, mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl, welcome to my YouTube channel. O the video, totoo. Andito ako sa pelikulang Where Do Broken Heart Goes. Well, bongga. I'm with my sitting ako, it was Jonas. Hello ka sa mga barber, sweet girls, that we're eating here at Sangyup. Yeah. Boss Samji. And it was a combination of simple price like $2.59 or they have $3.59 or either the $4.59. So ganun lang. Walang 500, pababa lang ito. Kahit mga 40 to 50% kaya tayong i-accommodate ito to. Mag-party na ba tayo? So, kain-kain lang ang drama. Pag may pinagdadaanan ka, may mga emote, diba? Hello, good morning! So, let's eat and enjoy. So, I'm gonna clear you all the dishes and I'm gonna move you here. So, kalma. Kalma. Baby, kalma. Ganon! Bless! That's it. So, ayun na nga. We're eating actually was, siyempre pang mahirap lang ang sweet girl lang tondo. So, ang kinuha ko lang na set ay yung pang $2.59 kasi cost cutting tayo, walang budget. Ganun pa naman, basta nakakakain pa tayo, may kakapang limos nga, kita mo binagay ng pang Sangyup. So, kung bago ko sa akin channel, you can hit the notification bell para update ko sa mga upcoming videos. And don't forget mga ka-barber to like, share, subscribe. So, ayun na nga kung meron kayong mga drama, hinaeng, papahula, komento, libre bashers tayo. Kabog yan! Bless! So, let's eat. Actually, they have the, for the set A, I love the side dishes. They were so fresh, like, yeah, the lettuce, of course, the cucumber, sweet banana, kimchi, bishkai, potato marbles, buttered corn, japchae. So, that you're gonna have. And they have also a pre-one serving of cheese. It was so, yeah, that's the cheese. It was so, for me, I gonna rate it like 8, Medyo masarap yung cheese nila dito. Kasi iba-iba naman yung mga Sangyupan. And yung pork lang namin, we have pork, chicken, Hungarian, and pork enoki. So, ganun lang yung set A. Pero at least, you're gonna surpass. Or yet, you're gonna get your craving for today. Kain mo lang pag may pinagdadaanan ka. And then yung set B naman nila, $3.59 yon. Nagkaroon lang na additional doon na beef. Yeah, also the pork belly and the beef enoki and the pork enoki. So, may mga additionals pa rin. And then yung set C nila, it was $4.59. And they have the, parang lahat na ito ng kanila. Yeah, the only pork, marinated chicken, Hungarian, pork enoki. So, ayan nga yung mga kinakain natin. Beef, pork belly, scallop, and shrimp. So, good vibe lang. And they have also juice. A pineapple juice for today. So, let's eat. Inshallah. Shalom. Todo riba. Ayan, masalam. Yala. Okay? I have here the Hungarian if you want. Now, pwede mo rin ibalot ito sa lettuce. Then I have also the chicken. Yeah, I don't want to eat so much roasted. Yeah, I was cancerous and, well, yeah, and you have to dip on the cheese. Okay naman yung chicken nila. It was tastier in a way. And I love the taste. It was so simple. Of course, maganda ng hunger yan. At nagustuhan ko yung alam nila rito. Banana. Sweet banana. Kawag yung tamis niya. I love it. I'm not into sweet, but then again, I appreciate sweetness. Ligawan nyo na kasi. Para makuha nyo na. Let's eat and enjoy for our everyday living. It was just made to happen, to make for our cravings or for our satisfaction. Yung pork, yan, nakakain na kami kanina baka so wala pa raw yung pork nila. Mukhang kinakausap pa nila yung matador na mag-aano ng pork, kakatay, oo. Pero okay naman yung chicken nila, mukhang nakaabot agad yan yung Batangas yung poultry nila, oo. And tapos yung sausawan naman nila, yung toyo or yung samchang. Siyempre, gagamang sangkip, iba-iba talaga yung taste nila at all. Actually, it was a simple presentation for the food. And it was $2.59. Nakakapag-sangyup ka na. So, what are you waiting for? Sarap. Saka alam niyo ba mga kabarber, mga kasigal, yung niluluto mo yung ano, you must try. Luluto niyo yung ano, ito? Kimchi. Pag ni-roasted, try and eat it. Masarap. Tapos ayan. And also yung cheese nila, no? Parang cheese gano'n na something bongga. So, that's it pa. Sushi po. So, ayan na nga. Sa 259 mo, saan makakarating ng 259 mo pag nagugutom ka? And again, the name of a store is Boss Samjang. At dito lang ito sa Gagalangin. Going sa Retail Market. Madadaanan nyo na siya. It was so simple restaurant tonight for today. And yung 259 mo, ang dami na. You have chicken, Hungarian, and also the pork. So kung medyo may budget ka, dito ka sa 459 lang, lahat na may beef na, shrimp, scallop, and everything. So, enjoy naman, I can say. And, ayun, pasweet-pusit lang ang sweet girl lang tondo to eat. And, meron, they have 4 or 3 flavors of pork. Bon appetit. Wow. Just a simple Thai tonight. Was so perfect. Bless. So, ganun lang natin dadaanin ng mga buhay natin sa pang-araw-araw. Let's have good vibe lang mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl. Mapi fulus, mapi walaya ba? Masalam. Assalamualaikum. Salam. Siya kan sa kamila. Siya. Yala, kalas. Daghang salamat. Magandang alon. Todo riba. That's it. Yala. Baka. So it was so PS. They have the enoki and the plain. So ayun na nga mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl again. Let's enjoy eating. Mahako kayo. Sister, bye-bye. Yala.